So Google Sheets is a web-based program where you can create spreadsheets, web-based meaning that you can access it through websites. It also includes formatting options so that you can change the appearance to make it more visually appealing. There are also formulas that can either be arithmetic-based or including functions, and the functions are simply predefined calculations. And lastly, the charts. So you can convert your data tables into charts so that you can visually present your data. So Google Sheets versus Microsoft Excel. So I've experienced this with both Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel, and there are a couple of key differences between both software programs. So the first thing is that Microsoft is a file-based application, so the files are stored on your computer, whereas Google Sheets is a cloud-based program, so the files are stored on the cloud. So that means that Google Sheets does not take up much storage, whereas Microsoft Excel, you have to download it, download the files, etc. Google Sheets also has many functions, but Microsoft Excel has more functions and you're able to do more complicated mathematical calculations. Google Sheets is also limited to the amount of cells that you have, whereas Excel does not. And overall, Excel is more powerful than Google Sheets. Another difference is the script editor. Google Sheets uses AppScript and Microsoft Excel VBA. So who is Google Sheets for? I would recommend Google Sheets for anyone looking for a convenient platform because you can access this from virtually any device. It is also a free application, so if you're looking for a free application, I would recommend this application. Whereas Microsoft Excel is not free, it costs money because you have to get it with the Microsoft Suite. Google Sheets also has a better user interface, so it's more simplified. So I would say the target audience is more for beginners, whereas for Microsoft Excel, it is more for people who are intermediate or advanced. Please make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.